and this work is a collaboration work with Fujitsu. Yeah, 2D the tungsten ditelluride is interesting material because the superconductivity can be induced by the gate voltage, applying the gate voltage, large gate voltage to induce electron more and more, it becomes a superconductor. Yeah, so we try to use this effect and try to make a Josephson junction like this. This is an optical microscope, a very complicated device, but schematic one is like this. Tungsten ditelluride monolayer is sandwiched by HBM layer to protect the ditelluride, because the ditelluride is easily degraded in air. And we made so-called edge contact like this. RIE, we did RIE to make a dig and deposit the superconducting contact niobium titanium. Also, we found this is important to deposit palladium first. This is where we found it important to make good contact. So the hope was induce superconductivity with left and right gate, and then to change the coupling between the two contacts with this center gate VC. So the actual device behavior is so complicated, but simply speaking, we could see the supercurrent here like this. The resistance is 0, and we could induce superconductivity by left and right dot. And you see this region, the resistance is 0. So we could see the very small supercurrent. And we think this is a Josephson current to see whether this is really a Josephson junction. We measured the microwave response. So as you see, the Shapiro step is observed, and this is the popular power dependence. Bessel function type power dependence is also observed. So this means that ordinary standard Josephson behavior is observed. So that doesn't mean there is no indication for the topological Josephson junction. Yeah, okay. So maybe I have to admit that the device in this case did not work as we designed, because we think our hope was to form the Josephson junction just in between by this gate voltage, but it turned out with other experimental results in this device. Maybe the Josephson junction is accidentally formed near this gate, maybe by defect or imperfections of the flake, and it's very close to the junction, so like supercurrent is affected by the center gate voltage. but here, when the center gate voltage is large, supercurrent, Josephson supercurrent doesn't, supercurrent is saturated, so which means now the junction is not affected by the gate voltage. Okay, so yeah, I don't have time. Maybe, yeah, of course we are interested in how the current distribution is, because we are using the 2D topological insulators. So that means the current should flow only at the edge, ideally. But from the magnetic field interference, that is so complicated, so I do not have time to talk about it. But anyway, this is experimental observation. So the supercurrent here as a function of magnetic field, it's so complicated behavior, so we do not know how the current distribution is in the junction. Yeah, we can discuss something, but finally, I just want to tell you another project with the semiconductor nanowire. So in this case, the collaboration with Ulrich group, Thomas Schaefers, and Alex Forrest, and they grow very nice, high-quality indium arsenide nanowires. Also, they can deposit aluminum without breaking vacuum. So the interface between aluminum and indium arsenide should be very nice. So what, as I mentioned, what we want to measure is this. So in this experiment with the nanowires, yeah, we use the popular resonator dispersive readout technique, which is popular in superconducting qubit, the similar way, but our device is so, to be honest, it's not very reproducible. Fabrication is so complicated, so device does not work properly in many cases. So yeah, we fabricated the resonator chip and sample chip in different substrate. So we put the sample on top of the resonator circuit. Then we introduce the inductive coupling between, like this. So with this technique, we call the flip chip technique. We can also apply the techniques to other materials which are not very reproducible. So it is an effective way to study the energy spectrum. And we could just measure the Andreev bound state. Trivial case, you see like this. So in summary, yeah, we fabricated Josephson junction in monolayer tungsten ditelluride and mercury telluride. In this case, superconductivity was induced, magnetic field dependence, which we measured, also the microwave response. But in this case, tungsten ditelluride, we did not see any signature of topological phase. Maybe some indication in mercury telluride case, but we have to confirm it with more experiment because the device is not very reproducible. I mean, the fabrication is so not easy. So some device only successful or something like that. So more experiments have to be done. Okay, so thank you very much for your kind attention.